So today we are going to see how to install Python 3.9.1 version. So for that you have to go to python.org, and there you will find various information. This website is fully dedicated towards Python and its development. So here you will find this download option. In this download option you have all releases, source code, and this operating system related information. Here you will find Python 3.9.1, which we are going to download and then we are going to install it. So let's click it. See, here the download has been started, and we'll see it will take some time. So it has been installed. Now after that, this window will appear to you. Here is Python 3.9.1, and we have two options. One is for install now, which include idle and pip and documentation. Another one is the customized installation. So I'll prefer to go with the customized installations, and here also you have two things to click. One is install launcher for all user, and then add Python 3.92 path. So don't forget to click this one, add Python 3.92 path. And next let us go for customized installation. Here you have option features, documentation, pip, and then various other options. Next go with the, here one thing to be mentioned, that the Python 3.9 and other versions of Pythons are coming with idle IDE by default. So next, let's click next. So here you can see that all the things, advanced options are there. So whatever is there, let it be like this. And here particularly in this customized installation location, we have to give the link. So I prefer here to go with my own folder that I have already. So in D drive we have this Python 3.9 folder created. So here I want to install. So here in D colon I want to install this software. So you can see installation has started. So installation has been started. It will take few time. So everyone, you can see that setup was successful. So IDE. So here we can change and configure the idle according to our choice. So already it is in 22 font, and let us make it bold also, so that things will be more easier to see. So apply and then OK. So let's see whether the installation has been done properly. Let me write a simple Python program of hello world. So you can see that hello world has been printed properly. So also you might be wanting some time to write program on file. So here if you write print hello world, and then you can go to run and then run module, or you can press F5. So here I am first program, the name of the program I'm saving as first program, and it is by default a Python file, so I'm saving in the desktop. So here, so you see the outcome has come properly, which is hello world. I hope you have enjoyed this video.